my channel. How are you guys doing? So in today's video I want to talk about a home remedy for high blood pressure. I want to talk about the home remedy for high BP. If you're having high BP more than the normal range, if it's above the normal range, you have high blood pressure, you've been battling with high blood pressure, this is a home remedy for you. These are the items, guys. This home remedy I'm about to share with you guys, this is something that my dad is taking. This is something that I have friends who are taking this, who have high blood pressure. I don't have high BP, okay, but I'm sharing something that I've seen people taking it, I've tasted, and it's working. My dad is taking it because he's hypertensive, so I tried to share with you guys. I know that it's going to help people. A lot of people are fighting with high blood pressure, they are going through challenges, and this is just a simple home remedy. We shouldn't have to spend a lot of money to buy anti-hypertensive drugs. You can always take this home remedy at home. Of course, I'm not a doctor, okay, so if you're in any doubt, make sure you consult your doctor before taking it, alright? So I'll just go straight ahead and tell you the ingredients of this home remedy. Okay, first of all, you need your Lipton. You need your Lipton bag. You need one of these for 1 cup of what we are going to do today. And you need your honey, natural honey. You need you some honey. You need avocado seeds, guys. We are not using the avocado flesh. This is the seed right here, and you have to peel off this one. So you're taking only this seed. You need the avocado seed. Yes, you heard me right. Avocado seeds. Do not throw away your avocado seed next time when you use it. Keep it, blend it, drink it if you have high blood pressure. Alright, okay, I was using the avocado seed. I want to show you how avocado looks like, and of course we are using garlic. So this is the ingredients we should need. You need your honey, natural honey, you need Lipton bag, you need garlic, and you need avocado seeds. So let's go straight ahead and prepare this item, guys. First things first, you want to take out the avocado seeds. I already have one here with me. I'm going to take out that extra peeling on it because I need all of the seeds. So I have this one. So I need one more to make it 2 so I can grind it with this garlic. I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to eat that later. I love avocado. Oh my god. This is life right here. This is life. Take out the peelings, guys. You want only the seed, so you don't want this. Take it out, and you have to wash everything, put it in that blender and blend it smooth and fine, because we're going to use the paste later on. So this is the seed. We have 2 seeds, and I'm going to blend it with this garlic. Wash it and put it in the blender and blend it. Garlic is life, guys. These things taste good. Does it taste good? No, but it really does good things. No, but and it smells. Oh. All right, let's not go there. So I'm gonna blend 2 of these, guys, and I'll be right back. So in the blender is my avocado seeds and my garlic. Going to blend that. If you're using your blender to blend other things like pepper, you want to make sure that you wash your blender very well so that you don't have all the pepper in it and you're gonna drink pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna blend that and come back to you guys. See, this is my avocado seeds and garlic finely blended. You want to make sure that you blend it very fine. All right, and of course if you make it in this quantity, you can always put it in a container where you can store it, because you have to be using that. Okay, you can always put in a container like this where you can use it for some days, alright, so you don't waste it. So this is my hot water. I'm going to add in here. You need 1 teacup of hot water. This is very big, but I'll just tell you, just estimate 1 teacup, alright. This is more than a teacup. I'm not going to put it full. Half of this is a teacup. Okay, add your hot water and You want to add in your Lipton, 1 bag of Lipton. Okay, let it infuse. This is how you prepare your tea for high BP, for high blood pressure. Very simple and straight. I mean, all these remedies, all these things, you can always get them at home, easily reachable. You know, I don't have to spend a lot of money on drugs. If you can do it at home, it really help. If you know someone that's hypertensive, your mom, your dad, relative, they can always try it. This is a tested remedy. Alright, once it's infused, at least you see the color change into brown color. This is what I blended now. It is because of the seed, it made it to change color like this. You know, the color have changed to like something like a bit of like a red or brown. I don't know. Just mix it very well. You don't have to worry. That's how avocado seeds turn. Like whenever the seeds for some time, you turn it and stir it a bit. Then you add in your 1 teaspoon, guys, not tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of your avocado seed paste with garlic. Adding right into the mix. And your raw honey. This is natural honey. You add 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is also a very good medicine. 1 teaspoon of honey. Yeah. And there we go. Stir it very well. Stir, 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 stir. Stir very well. And you drink it. You want to make sure that your paste is very smooth. If it's not smooth enough, and if you want to drink it, maybe you can sift it a bit so you don't have to fight with all the a little bit of tiny particles inside, you know. And your tea is ready. Very easy to make. Very easy. So yes, guys, if anyone has ever tried this method, drop a comment down below this video and let me know. So if you enjoy watching this video, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to drop your comments down below this video. And of course, don't forget to share this video. It will help somebody. We are all sharing our knowledge or what we have tried before so we can help people. I'm sharing it because I want to reach out to a lot of people who need help, you know, who are in the situation and they can try it and actually it can be helpful to them. So don't forget to share this video, share, drop a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's right down below this video. So subscribe button in red, hit that subscribe button before you leave, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified. All right, you will be able to watch all of my videos. So yeah, this is the end of this video, guys. So in my channel, Gilly James, I have a lot of things. My channel is multi-purpose. There are a lot of things that I'm sharing. If you have a particular point of interest, you can always go into my playlist. If you go into my channel, you'll see a playlist. Click on the playlist. I put my videos, I arrange my videos according to what I upload on YouTube. Alright, so guys, yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.